Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating English word. Today's word is credit. What does it mean? How do we use it? Let's find out. Credit is an interesting word because it has a couple of different meanings. Firstly, credit can mean praise or approval for something you've done. It's that feeling of recognition when someone acknowledges your hard work. Secondly, credit refers to borrowing money from a bank or financial institution with an agreement to pay it back later, usually with interest. Let's break down the first meaning, the one about praise. Think of it as giving someone recognition where it's due. For example, if you do a fantastic job on a school project, your teacher might say, "You deserve all the credit for this excellent work." It means you earned the praise. Now, let's look at some synonyms, words that have similar meanings to credit in this context. We have praise, recognition, and acknowledgement. For example, instead of saying she received credit for her volunteer work, we could say she received praise for her volunteer work. Or, he deserves recognition for his dedication, or the team received acknowledgement for their efforts. See how they all convey a similar idea of appreciation? Now, let's consider the opposite, the antonyms. Words with meanings that are the reverse of credit are blame, criticism, and disapproval. For example, he received blame for the mistake is quite different from receiving credit. Similarly, she faced criticism for her actions or their proposal met with disapproval. In these cases, instead of praise, there's negativity. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the other meaning of credit, borrowing money. When you use a credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from the bank to make a purchase. You then have to pay that money back later, often with added interest. Think of it as a short-term loan. Common phrases involving credit include building your credit score, which means improving your history of paying back borrowed money on time, making you a more reliable borrower in the future. Another phrase is getting credit for a purchase, meaning you're buying something on credit rather than paying for it outright with cash. How can you use credit in your everyday life? Well, if your friend helps you with a difficult task, you could say, "I give you credit for helping me with that. I couldn't have done it without you." Or, if you're talking about someone's financial situation, you might say, "She bought a new car on credit." Now, let's look at some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. The scientist should get credit for discovering the new species. The company's success is a credit to its employees. He took out a loan on credit to start his business. She used her credit card to pay for dinner. Your credit score is important when applying for a loan. Buying on credit can be useful, but be careful not to overspend. She gave credit where credit was due. The film's stunning visuals are a credit to the cinematographer. Many shops now accept credit and debit cards. The project's success is a credit to the entire team's hard work. Remember, understanding the context is key to understanding which meaning of credit is being used. Are we talking about praise and recognition, or borrowing money? So, to recap, credit can mean praise or approval, like giving someone credit for a job well done. Its synonyms include praise, recognition, and acknowledgement. Its antonyms include blame, criticism, and disapproval. Alternatively, credit can mean borrowing money, like using a credit card. It's a versatile word with important implications in both our personal and financial lives. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word credit helpful and informative. Thank you for tuning in. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and learn English too. As a little task, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word credit in either of its meanings and share it as a comment under the video. I'd love to see how you're using the word in your own language learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing your English, and I'll see you in the next episode of Hello Word.